Good morning, students. So, in the last video, we saw about chapter number 2. Okay, now we move on to the next chapter, that is chapter number 3, multiplication of numbers. Now, when you are doing multiply, what actually you are doing is you are just adding that many times. Okay, so multiplication is nothing but adding many times again and again. So it becomes very tedious when you have to add a number many times. Okay, so that is why we multiply. Okay, and this is shortcut and very easy if you know the rules and follow them. Okay, now these rules are known as the properties of multiplication. So let's first learn about the properties of multiplication here. Okay, now first property says that if you are multiplying any number, you can change the position of those two numbers however you want, but the answer, that is the product, okay, the answer after you multiply is known as product. So that answer always remains same. Okay, and the numbers that you are multiplying is called multiplier and multiplicand. Okay, beta. So I take an example. Say 8 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 8. Okay. So this is my multiplier and multiplicand. After multiplying, I get the product. Okay, I get a number that is called as product. So now tell me, 8 twos are is 16 and 2 8s are again it is 16. So it means that even if I write 8 afterwards and 2 before, it doesn't make any difference here. Okay, so this is the first property of multiplication, that any number can be written first or last, but the answer will always be same. Getting me? So this is the first property of multiplication. Second says, if I multiply any number by 1, my answer is always the same number itself. 8 ones are 8, 2 ones are 2. So if I multiply any number by 1, my answer is always the number itself, same number. So any number multiplied by 1 is equals to the same number. Okay. Third property says, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. So 8 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 100 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. This is the third property. Fourth property says, if say I have 3 numbers which I have to multiply at a time. For example, 8, 2 and 5. Okay. I can choose any number to multiply first. I cannot multiply all at once, isn't it? I will take 2 numbers at a time. So, I can take 8 twos and then after I get the answer for this, then I will multiply by 5. My answer, whatever I get, will always be same no matter what. See, 8 twos next I do 8 fives and then multiply by 2. Or I take 2 5s first and then multiply by 8. My answer always is same. 2 5s are 10, 10 8s are 80. 8 5s are 40, 42s are 80. 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are is 80. So you see, I can take any number to multiply first. Okay, any number I can choose. Only once I have to take. Okay, 8 twos करके फिर 5 से multiply किया तो भी 80. 8 5s and then I multiply by 2, then also 80. 2 5s then multiply by 8, then also 80. So any condition or anything answer always remains the same. Okay, so this is our fourth property. It is similar to the first property. Okay, here that आगे पीछे कैसे भी लिखो सेम ही आंसर आता है. आगे पीछे कोई भी नंबर पहले लो, किसी को भी पहले मल्टीप्लाई करो तो भी आंसर सेम होता है. So these are the 4 properties of multiplication which you have to by heart. Okay, you have to remember these rules. Getting me? Now based on these properties we are going to solve exercise 3.1 which is fill in the blanks. Okay beta, so first question says 6543 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0, isn't it? See, I told you any number multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So if I give you 0 and I want you to find this, you will obviously understand if this is the 0, then here also a 1 multiplier or the multiplicand should be 0. Okay, so 6543, if I multiply it by 0, my answer is 0. Then next one, dash multiplied by 879 is equals to 879. When is my answer same? When I multiply by 1. So 879 multiplied by 1 is 879. Okay. Next 65 multiplied by 34 is equals to 34 multiplied by dash. Now I told you 8 2s is also 16, 2 8s is also 16. So I can say that that 8 2s and 2 8s are equal. Getting me? 8 2s is 16 and 2 8s is also 16. So I can say 8 2s is equals to 2 8s. So same here 65 into 34 they have given. So 65 into 34 is equals to 34 into 65. Okay. Next again 23 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 56 is equals to 56 multiplied by 23 multiplied by what? Now 23 and 56 are already repeated on the second side. Only remaining number is 15. So it will be 15 there. Okay. 23 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 56 is given. Okay. Here it is given 56 multiplied by 23 multiplied by dash. Now 23 is here 15. Not here. So 15 should come here. 56. Both when you multiply you will get the same answer. That is why they both are equal. Okay. Next says 7890 multiplied by 0. So 7890 multiplied by 0 gives you answer 0. So answer is 0 again. Okay. Then you have 300 multiplied by 222 is equals to 222 multiplied by क्या बचा है 300. So 300 comes in the blank. Okay, understanding? It's very easy. Just based on the properties we are doing fill in the blanks here. So same ways 564 multiplied by 321 multiplied by dash is equals to 321 multiplied by 250 multiplied by 564. What is missing here on this side? 250. So 250 will be the fill in the blank. Okay. 134 multiplied by 0, 0. Then dash multiplied by 1 is equals to 475. Multiplied by 1 है तो 475 again. So 475 multiplied by 1 is equals to 475. 15,322 multiplied by dash is equals to 0. Again 0. So the missing one also should be 0. So 15,322 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. Okay beta. So in this way we finish exercise 3.1 here. Okay.